prepare the prawn balchao, we'll be requiring prawns, vegetable oil, Kashmiri red chilies, finely chopped onion, cloves, ginger, garlic, cumin seed, salt, black peppercorn, turmeric powder, vinegar, cinnamon stick, and sugar. So the Kashmiri dry red chilies has to be soaked with the vinegar. I've already soaked that and I let it to soak for about half an hour. So now we have to roast the spices and then we'll have to grind this. Now let's season the prawns with the salt and a teaspoon of turmeric. Now let's marinate this very well together. So friends, I've already marinated the prawns over here. I haven't told you all how many prawns I'm using for the proportion. It's about approximately 20 to 25 prawns I'm using. And I've already cleaned the prawns, beheaded them, and I've given a very fine cut over here. That fine cut, it's over here, and I've tried to remove the thread or the spine that the prawns has over here. And this is good. Let's go and fry the prawns now. Now let's dry roast the spices. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Let's dry roast this for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's blend all the spices. So I'm adding those soaked chilies to a blender along with the vinegar. Now use all the roasted spices. Add 1 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves. And now let's blend it to very fine paste. Add oil to fry the prawns. Let's fry the prawns now. I prefer to fry these prawns crispy and golden fry so that the texture of the balcham will be very nice. So the prawns are very well done now. They're crispy and golden fry. So let's take them separately in a bowl or plate if you have. So in the very same pan, I'm using 2 medium finely chopped onion and we're going to fry them very well. If you need, you can add some more oil to that. I'm going to use some more because there was less of oil. Now let's add the balchao masala that we have grinded. Let's mix this. Let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, my secret ingredient, coconut jaggery. Okay. Now let's fry this masala very well first. Now let's add the prawns. I've fried the masala very well and give a very good gentle mix to it. Let's cover the lid and let it get cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes on very low flame. It looks like it's perfectly ready now. So guys, I've already tasted this. I feel like I need a little bit more sweetness to this. So I'm adding another 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Choice is yours whether you want to or not. So we'll be closing the lid, but before that, I don't want the masala to get burned. Usually everyone would like to use a vinegar, but some of them don't prefer to, same as I don't like a lot of vinegar. So that's why I'm using a little bit of water in this instead of the vinegar, because the vinegar is already there in the masala when I grind it I added a little bit more earlier as well. And so the masala will not get burnt when I'm going to leave it to get cooked for another 15 to 20 minutes. Dal chow is ready, guys. Hope you liked our recipe. If you did, do subscribe our channel. Until then, love you all. Adios.